Hi, I'm Alice Bauer. In this video we're going to discuss Chapter 13 bankruptcy. First we're going to discuss why would you file a Chapter 13 instead of a Chapter 7. The first reason is that you need a repayment plan in order to get caught up with payments on a house or a car that you wish to keep. If you are in danger of having something repossessed or foreclosed upon, a Chapter 13 bankruptcy is your best option if you wish to actually keep the property. It will give you 3 to 5 years to get caught up on your payments by making the original payments directly to the creditor and then paying the portion of the payments that are missed through the Chapter 13 plan. The second reason is because you're having your wages garnished by the IRS or a creditor or for student loans. You can stop the wage garnishment by filing a Chapter 7, but will only last as long as the Chapter 7 lasts, which is approximately 90 days. By filing a Chapter 13, you can stop the wage garnishment for the entire length of your plan, which is from 3 to 5 years. Also, you can provide for the payment to those creditors in the Chapter 13 in the case of the IRS without penalties, and if you meet certain criteria such as filing the taxes on a timely basis, you can also stop the interest. On a student loan, the interest does not stop while you're in bankruptcy. A student loan obligation must be repaid in full, including the cost of collection and the cost of interest. The third reason is because you don't qualify for a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. If you have excessive income, and I know it might not sound like excessive to you, but if you have more income than it is necessary to meet your daily needs, not wants, but needs, you may not qualify for a Chapter 7 if you're an above median income debtor. Therefore, if you want to receive the discharge of some or all or a part of your debts, you're going to have to file a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. The last reason to file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy is because you have non-exempt property that you wish to keep. For instance, you might have rental property or a personal injury settlement that is pending, and you want to keep the proceeds of that property. In order to do that, you must file a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. In a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, that non-exempt property would belong to your Chapter 7 estate and would be liquidated, which means sold or settled and be given to your creditors. For some people, they just don't want to have that happen, and by filing a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, they can repay their creditors through their Chapter 13 plan and keep the property that they wish to keep. So those are the basic reasons that someone would opt to file a Chapter 13, which takes longer and is more expensive than a Chapter 7. But still, if you meet those criteria, that's a good reason to file a Chapter 13 rather than filing a Chapter 7. Call my office and we'd be happy to discuss with you your personal financial situation and the specifics of your particular case to work out the plan that is best for you. In my office, you will be treated with dignity, respect, kindness, and courtesy. You can expect to have your questions answered and your telephone calls returned on a timely basis. For more specific information about Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 bankruptcy, please watch the companion videos in the links provided. Thank you.